Hey, if you woke up today and didn't feel like doing much, that's okay. Depression doesn't always look like sadness. Sometimes it just feels like heaviness, like you're carrying an invisible backpack full of bricks, and someone keeps adding more. But here's the thing, you can make that backpack a little lighter. Let's build a daily routine that quietly fights depression. One tiny action at a time. Start simple. When you wake up, don't reach for your phone, reach for light. Open a window, let your brain see daylight. That's your biological on switch. Then move your body, even for just 2 minutes. Jump, stretch, walk to the kitchen like you're in slow motion, I don't care. Movement is not about burning calories. It's about reminding your brain that you're alive. If you do that every morning, you're already giving depression a punch in the face, gently but effectively. Depression wants isolation. It's like that one friend who says, "Don't go out, just stay home and think." Ignore that friend. At midday, talk to someone. Doesn't have to be deep. Send a meme. Ask a cashier how their day is. Small social moments remind your brain that connection exists and that you're still part of life. Bonus points. Sunlight around noon increases serotonin, nature's built-in antidepressant. Set just one goal for the day. 1. Clean your desk, water your plants, reply to that one email. When depression whispers, "You're useless," you get to whisper back, "Actually, I finished something." That's how you build momentum. Tiny wins. Every day. That's your quiet revolution. In the evening, don't replay the day like a failure highlight reel. Instead, ask, what went right? Even a little? Write it down. 3 things. Could be, I got out of bed, or I smiled at a stranger. Your brain learns from repetition. So the more you record good moments, the more your mind starts looking for them. Depression doesn't vanish overnight, but routines are your quiet armor. They don't cure sadness. They create stability, and stability gives hope. Start small, stay kind to yourself, and remember, every day you show up, even just a little, you're winning. I'm Doc Crane, and your brain's not broken, it's just tired. Let's help it rest and rebuild. See you tomorrow.